In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert images into your Google Calendar events. This can be a fantastic way to add a visual element or an important attachment to your event details, enhancing the experience for all invitees. Let's dive right in. To get started, open Google Calendar on your computer. It's important to note that at the moment, the mobile apps don't support adding attachments, so make sure you're using a PC or laptop for this. Once you have your calendar open, locate the event you want to edit. If you haven't created the event yet, simply start a new one. Next, click on the pencil icon, which is the Edit Event option. This will open up all the editable features of the event. Here, look for the Add Attachment option, easily recognized by the paperclip icon. This is where you can attach files or images. You have a couple of options. You can choose files directly from your Google Drive, which can include images stored within Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides, as well as any image files that are directly uploaded to Drive. Once you've attached your desired images, make sure to save the event. This allows any invitees to view the image by clicking on the attachment, which can be especially useful for sharing presentations, maps, or any other important visuals relevant to your event. Now let's talk about another way to include images in your events, inserting them directly into the event description. Start by opening your event just as you did before. In the description box, you can include images in a couple of ways. If you have images in Gmail or Google Docs, look for the Insert Image option. Alternatively, for greater versatility, you can use direct image URLs. This involves a bit of markdown-like syntax. You would write it as image URL, a simple way to integrate an online image link into your description. Remember, this method works best for images that are already hosted online, like those with a Google Drive shared link or any publicly accessible URL. After making these edits, be sure to save the event once more. This will ensure all your changes are properly updated and invitees can view the images either through the attachment or directly in the event description. Incorporating images can be a great way to provide additional context or details directly within your calendar event. So take advantage of these options to enhance your planning and communication. And there you have it. Follow these steps and you'll be adding images to your Google Calendar events with ease. Whether it's for business meetings, personal reminders, or shared events, adding visuals can enrich the information and make your calendar events more engaging and informative. Thanks for joining me today, and happy scheduling!